Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction of the new Parliament building by National Heroes Park. We are actually driving a National Heroes Circle now and we're going to turn into the park. To the left of us is the Ministry of Finance. They actually have three ministries in this area. You have Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Social Security, and Ministry of Education. Okay, so this is where they're going to build a new Parliament building, and they also plan to build a government campus over here where they would build new buildings for all these government ministries. But we'll talk about the e-campus or the government campus in another video. But they plan to build the Parliament building over here. Now, as you can see, this is a massive property in prime real estate. You could build literally a city over here. Okay, so the Parliament of Jamaica currently meets at Garden House, which is on Duke Street. But it's an old building and the Parliament has outgrown it. So they plan to build a new building here, a massive building. And it's so big that the government had budgeted some funds to build the building. And when they put out the bids for persons to tender, one bid came out. They got only one bid, and that bid I shouldn't say far exceeded. That bill was more than what the government had budgeted. So the government has to now go back to the drawing board and go back out to the bidding process and put out a new bid. And it's very surprising that they only received one bid, because we have China Harbour Engineering Company in Jamaica who does all the major projects in Jamaica. I'm not sure if they bid, but the government never disclosed. That's actually the Ministry of Finance to the right. The government never disclosed how much the bid was for. So I'm thinking that maybe the government should build a smaller building, a more economical building for Parliament, and bring it in within budget and get it built. Because once it starts, I'm sure the rest of the developments around here will follow. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, this section of National Heroes Park, as you can see, it's empty. They use it for driving lessons. Driving instructors use it to teach people to drive. Behind us is National Heroes Park, where the national heroes and prime ministers are buried. That section is different, it's fenced off, and it's actually very well maintained. We have videos up of it, so you can check it out, that area. This is a section, as you can see, where nothing is going on. It's just, at least they're cutting the grass, which is good. It's just flat land, so this is the area that they are going to develop. So we'll keep you guys updated on this development, but the latest is they have to go back to the bidding process. So you know it's going to take time. And I haven't heard them officially say they're going to change the design of the building, but that could be an option also. Now, what they did was had a competition to get the design of the building, and different architects submitted their plans, and eventually one was chosen. Alright guys, just giving you an update today. We'll keep you updated on this development. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.